How to see Instagram Wrapped. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to see Instagram Wrapped. It's not available on Android devices, so the particular feature is only going to be available on iOS devices, and it is also only available in certain part of the world. So if you want to see the Instagram Wrapped, what you'll need to do is, first of all, you need to link your Instagram account. So first of all, you need to download the Wrapped for Instagram on App Store. After you've done that, you need to create an account, do all sort of thing, and link your Instagram account with the Wrapped account. After that, launch your Instagram Wrapped and follow the user-friendly on-screen instructions to securely connect your Instagram account to Instagram Wrapped. So unveil your Instagram Wrapped. Once your Instagram account is linked, the Instagram Wrapped will kickstart the process for generating your personalized Wrapped report. In this way, you can see Instagram Wrapped. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.